time to make some sounds on our mouthpiece. So, the first thing to tell you is that you have to learn how to buzz your lips. Like that. That's how you make sound on the trumpet. You don't blow. If you blow, you get hot air. That's all you get. That's how people play with wet lips. So before they play, they take their tongue there. To get about, which is 5/8, 3/8, 5/8 top lip, 3/8 bottom lip, and we're going to buzz. So that's a very
I don't know if you saw that.
So I'm holding one note, G, nice and steady. And so you may not be able to hold it steady at all, but that's fine. As your lips get used to doing this, they'll get stronger and more accustomed. But that's how you do it. Keep your lips together. Inhale through the diaphragm. And buzz, that buzzing sound. And then when you do that with your mouthpiece, then you're able to buzz. Now, another thing we haven't talked about is, do you want to play with dry lips or wet lips? Now, most people do that. They do that. Most people do not play with a dry, what's called a dry embouchure. So we'll talk more about this when we actually...
Oh, we're a little bit flat. You want to get that up or not?